Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up and use proxy with GoLogin fingerprint browser. For other fingerprint browsers, it's almost the same setup. Okay, first open CloudRouter and switch to Settings tab. Here, by default, uh, the software used randomized proxy port when you use a proxy. And we change to custom first. So now when you double click a proxy from the proxies list, you get a fixed port from here. Look at the local proxy. So later you can input this IP and port into the fingerprint browser's profile to use. I will show you later. If you only use one browser profile, you can just use the IP from here. If you want to use multiple browser profiles, you can use the port forwarding feature. You right mouse click on the proxy from the proxies list, and here forward port to proxy. You can choose proxy from different port. So I used the two proxies on port 5000 and 5001. And to check the port forwarded proxy and to manage the proxies, you click the button at the bottom, port forward list. And here you can copy the IP and port. You can also freeze the port from here. And if you use a new proxy on the same port, it will the proxy will be replaced there. Okay. Anyway, if you want to use multiple browser profiles, you just use different proxy port forwarding to different ports and use. Okay, I already installed the GoLogin browser. First click Add the profile. Profile name test 1. For proxy, choose your proxy. In the proxy type, choose SOX5 proxy. For IP address, you can copy from here. Okay, IP and the port. For the login and the password, leave it empty and check proxy. Okay, the proxy is working. Okay, as you can see from the port forward list manager, here is the IP, it's the same. Okay, and here click run. Okay, the IP is also the proxies, so it's working normally. And you can create other profile from here, and use different proxy from different port. By the way, here for the IP address, some users they install the VPN and also WebMare or VirtualBox on their desktop. So these softwares they created the virtual network cards, and which also has different IP addresses. For example, you can see I click the gear button here, and you can see I have different IPs here. So you need to find your real LAN IP addresses from the physical network card to use, and click save. Otherwise, you will have problem to connect to the proxy.